Hello, I'm Michael Flood Jr., Mike. I currently serve on the Board of Trustees, and I'm seeking re-election on the Republican ticket for the upcoming August 2nd primary election. For the next few moments, I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce myself to our new registered voters as well, the residents who may not know much about me. My wife Lillian and I are celebrating our 47th wedding anniversary. We have a daughter, Kristen Trainer, who has followed in her father's footsteps as a community activist. Kristen lives in the village and is also on the August 2nd primary election, running for Precinct 2 Republican Precinct Delegate. Lillian and I are also proud grandparents of two lovely grandchildren, Austin Michael McGee, who will be returning to Coastal Carolina University for his sophomore year and will be cracking the books again to remain on the dean's list, and Shay Agnes Lillian Trainer, who will be entering 4th grade at Stadium Elementary. I'm also a proud Dragon graduate of the Lake Orion Public School System and attended OCC Auburn Hills Technology Engineering Campus and Oakland University while working 40 years at GM Truck and Bus, Pontiac plants, and held various hourly and management positions. I retired in 2006 as a skilled trades journeyman with a professional engineer's license. Like so many other residents and families living in our great community of Orion, Lake Orion, myself and family are also lifelong residents. We have proudly served in the best interest of our community, either as civic leaders, elected officials, police and fire personnel. Like you, I also have experienced the growth and changes of our beloved Orion, Lake Orion community, residential, commercial, industrial, and government entities. For the last 5 years of serving on the Board of Trustees, I have brought to the board my vast experience and educational background to fully engage in board deliberations and board consensus decision-making that serves to represent the best interest of all 38,000 residents, as well local business owners. At this time, I'd like to share with you what I consider to be the top 3 priority issues facing our township for the next 4 years. My first priority as a trustee has been to inform and educate the voters on approving the 2 separate critical safety, police and fire millage renewal ballot proposals on the August 2nd primary election ballot. This is not a tax increase. Voter approval is essential to continue the services that our first responders provide for the health, safety, and welfare of our community. The next 2 priorities are the current and future economic and development projects located in the southwestern portion of the township that borders Auburn Hills. For nearly 2 decades, the thriving commercial and retail Auburn Mile that parallels the I-75 corridor. First, continue moving forward with the economic and development plans, which is the Corridor Improvement Authority, CIA, for the Biz District, the Brown Road Innovative Zone, along the 1-mile barren stretch of Brown Road between Joslyn and Baldwin Roads, providing for and securing the necessary funding to expand Brown Road 2 additional traffic lanes on the Orion Township side, resulting in future commercial development bordering Auburn Hills and the I-75 corridor. Today, a major commercial retailer wants to invest, restore, and build on the vast acreage of land that for decades and currently is permitted for earth excavating and mining operations. An additional benefit for Orion residents will be the new job opportunities that result from new commercial retail coming into our community. Secondly, continue providing support and funding the CIA towards the future enhancements of the Baldwin Road Widening Project, scheduled to start next year in 2017, Phase 1, and the following year, 2018, Phase 2, by the Road Commission of Oakland County. And as well, future economic and developments along this major thoroughfare. For nearly 60 years, Baldwin Road widening has been discussed, planned, and properties rezoned ever since I-75 was built, running throughout Oakland County and forever changing the landscape of the North Oakland communities. A prime example of the similar proposed Baldwin Road enhancements and Corridor Improvement Authority can be viewed in our western neighboring Independence Township. Many years ago, Independence Township implemented the same exact vision for the Sashaball Road corridor, widening and enhancements between Mabee Road and the I-75 interchange. A few examples of the enhancements are energy-efficient LED street and pedestrian safety path lighting irrigation, and maintenance of the landscaping and grass along the boulevard. It just makes good common sense to install and provide for these road enhancements during the construction phase of the new Baldwin Road. Serving on the Board of Trustees these past 5 years, my board deliberations and consensus board decision-making are a matter recorded on the public record. I stand on my proven record, a trustee of action, not just merely words. It has been my experience serving in both civic and political leadership roles that if you talk the talk, you must walk the walk. Please visit my Facebook page at facebook.com, Michael Flood Jr., and LinkedIn page at linkedin.com, Mike Flood Jr. I'm asking for your vote and continued support on the Republican ticket to continue to serve in the best interest of all 38,000 Orion, Lake Orion residents. In closing, I wish to thank Orion Neighborhood Television for providing this opportunity towards informing and educating the Orion, Lake Orion voters. Thank you.